soft pastels are kind of like a chalk. So some of them may need to be cleaned off a little bit. They get really dirty. So you can just take a piece of paper towel and wipe them on it, and it'll clean them off right away. All right? Since they are so much like a chalk, they're very powdery. So when you use them, they'll smear super easily. All right? So when you color with them, you're going to want to be very careful with them so that you don't smear it all over your paper. Because if you do that, it's going to be hard to clean that up. All right, you're going to be really wise in the colors that you choose and blend. So when you blend colors, you're going to have one color, and then maybe I'll have a blue after I cleaned it off, and I'm going to go overlapping where some of the yellow was, and then bring the blue. And what you could do is take the yellow again and go back over some of the blue. But you want to be careful so that you don't overlap too many colors, because if you do, it will make it more of a dark color. It won't be as bright or bold. So you want to make the colors bright and bold, because that's what Picasso had.